Cancer, welcome to your bi-monthly reading, and I am going to do this reading for 5th of April to 20th of April 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in Cancer zodiac sign. So you are a water sign, and today I'm going to use a lot of my oracle cards and then clarify more information from my good tarot. So let's see what messages do we have for Cancer, 5th of April 2021 to 20th of April 2021. Okay, this card wants to come out. Karma. Nice. All right. I'll pick one card from Shaman Oracle, and this is the card of Rainbow. We have Karma, we have Rainbow. Let's see which archangel or the associated crystal wants to help us out. Have our message. I think some storm has just passed away from your life. So just don't give in. Just don't give up. It's important for you to stay put, see through the good things, reevaluate the actions, thoughts, feelings, emotions that you have had during these times. I'm sure you have evolved through that storm that swept away a lot of things. It was something related with your karmic balance. Let's see what. Okay, so Archangel Michael. We have Archangel Michael here. We all know Archangel Michael is the angel of angel of protection, destiny, honesty, dignity, purpose of life, and he's meant to remove obstacles from our path. So and he is the one who looks after your throat chakra. Throat chakra is the place where your karma is stuck always, right? So work with Archangel Michael, ask him to cut all the negative energy cords with his sword so that you can overcome the residues of karma that you're going through. A lot of balancing has already happened, but things, in terms of more mental clarity, balanced emotions, financial abundance, it is very important to work with Archangel Michael. So maybe during these 15 days you can start working and invoking Archangel Michael in your aura and taking his help. Okay, that's wonderful. Let's see what Tree of Life Tarot has to tell us. Let's see, this is the tarot which only uses the major arcana, and they are based on Indian Vedas. So message for Cancerians, 5th of April to 20th of April. Okay. Oh wow, Radha Krishna, Purush and Prakriti, the Lovers card. So, alright. This is a wonderful thing that has come. So somewhere down, maybe I think this storm, this thing was actually wherein something that has happened and brought a karmic balance. And why Archangel Michael is here is so that you can actually realize the importance of your own self and the importance of self-love, and it is a card of contract, it is a card of commitment, it is a card of welcoming a new beginning in your life. Okay, so there is a lot of karmic balance that has happened already, and then this shaman oracle cards are very, very crisp, and they give very crisp messages. So this rainbow actually says that that phase is almost over. When does the rainbow come? After a storm, after rain, right? Sun comes up, and that is how rainbow is formed. So it is actually a good beginning based on self-love and total faith in your own self, and to really love yourself and love the divine which is helping you out. And for that, pray to Archangel Michael, so that whether you are stuck in your relationship or in money matters, you will be through with it. So these 15 days are cleansing time for you, right? So whatever is left over, that will get cleansed with the help of Purush and Prakriti. So you can spend some time in nature also. That will be really nice. Also, I am getting somewhere down, music will be of great help to you during this time. So if possible, please make sure that you sit with some meditation, good soothing meditation music, or maybe some chants that can ease you out. Okay, that will really help you to balance the masculine and the feminine energy within your body. Let's really find out from our good tarot. Let me pull some cards and let's see where is it heading on to, because these 15 days definitely is balancing, solidification, really solidifying your changes that has happened. This card just came in. It is Ace of Air. So this is yet another Archangel Michael's card. Ace of Air is, Ace of Sword, and sword is always signified with Archangel Michael. So this is a repetition almost. It is like mental clarity. I just said, mental clarity, balanced emotions, financial abundance, a new beginning. Okay, this is like, you start seeing truth. You start having that mental stability and mental force to start afresh. Probably you were not able to let go, and that is why you were in that storm, and that was all karmically you had attracted. But now, as above so below happens for you. Okay, so this card just jumped out. I think Archangel Michael is definitely helping Cancer during these 15 days. King of Water. So see, a lot of healing is there. King of Water is King of Cups. He is a very calm, mature man, and he's asking for that kind of healing and balancing of yourself. He's somebody who has, again, I'm finding it out, something related to emotions and something related to music. Will be a great healer for you. So I think this again, I wouldn't say self-healing means you have to take care of what tortures you. There are thoughts that are torturing you. What is the point of staying with those thoughts? It's time to leave that. Okay, with the help of Archangel Michael and his sword, and with the help of Krishna and Radha. Okay, they were one soul, two body. So that kind of thing is there. Also, I believe that probably you are done with the older relationship, you're out of it, and with the help of Archangel Michael, you are just finishing whatever residue of karma is there, and a new start is coming up. There is somebody, because the Lovers card, Krishna and Radha, then Ace of Air, and then King of Water is also defining that after the storm ends, the rainbow comes in the form of a new love or a new opportunity in your life. If you're waiting for money, or you're waiting for a new love, Cancer, this is your time. Let's delve more. Okay. Six of Water. Okay, somebody from the past returns, and Three of Air. Okay, and one more, please. King of Fire. So you have two kings here. All right. So here, Ace of Air, King of Water, along with Six of Water. So somebody from the past returns, apologizes or whatever. Somebody who would have given you a hard time and you isolated yourself. It's time to heal those areas. It's not something that you're going to begin with this person, but it is definitely that you will have choice. Somebody from the past also returns. Maybe a past interview you cleared, and that is also coming your way, as well as a new opportunity is also on your way. Similarly, in terms of relationship, you will have two offers. The past comes to heal itself, but probably you will stay put. I mean, you'll hold your decision there, and then somebody else comes up, okay, with a lot of energy. So just see how this works out for you, and what is it that we need to know more is Messenger of Earth. This is Knight of Pentacles. So something is definitely moving towards you to bring about something of value, create, bring in something long term, something very patient, kind of a patient energy, healing energy. So just heal yourself. You've almost done that, and then comes the choices. Mental strength is definitely required, and something, the old also returns and the new one comes, and then you finally have to decide, because probably you don't want to stay, you don't want to stay with the old. So yeah, but the future also looks nice. So there is, as above so below. So karma does not only hit you, it hits the other person also. Okay, so but then here we are supposed to really look onto our relationship with the divine, our relationship with our karma rather than somebody else's. Okay, so it seems to be a very good 15 days period for you. So please utilize it for your best, and best wishes, Cancer. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this video with your loved ones, and let me know how these 15 days karmic pattern, which karmic pattern you have overcome. Please take care. Bye bye.